Fix Google My Business verification problem, 3 easy solutions. If you're trying to verify your Google My Business profile, but it keeps getting stuck or failing, don't worry, here are the 3 effective ways to fix it and get your business verified successfully. Alright, so first is going to be trying to change your verification method. So just access Google Business Profile Manager and then click Verify Now. So for example, I will choose my dummy business. I will just get verified and in here start the verification. And for example, if your postcard verification didn't work, choose phone, email or video verification, whichever is available. Some businesses may even get instant verification if your website is already verified in Google Search Console. If the verification keeps failing, check your business details. Make sure your address, name and category exactly match what's on your website and local listings. So for that, you go to your business. In here, you go Edit Profile and make sure that all of these tabs in here, all of these fields are properly filled in with the necessary and correct information. Avoid using PO boxes, shared offices, or fake addresses. Google will reject those. Also upload real storefront photos showing your business name and location. And lastly, if nothing works, you can contact Google Business Profile support directly. So from your profile manager, you go support, and in here you can contact them right in here. Now you choose the business with which you need help with, and in here you type in verification. And Google might ask for proof like a business license, utility bill or signage photo. And now lastly I will answer 2 of the most, I would say, important questions. So first one being, how long does it take to verify? Usually it's between 3 and 7 business days for postcards or instant for digital options. Then, can I verify multiple locations? Yes, you can, but each needs its own verification unless you qualify for bulk verification. And this is pretty much how you fix My Business verification problems in a few steps. Keep your information consistent, use the right verification method, and reach out to Google if needed, and you'll get verified faster. If this helped you, make sure to subscribe for more quick business tech tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.